Hello all, hope all are doing good. So now we will see NCERT Solution Chapter 13, Mahatma Gandhi and the Nationalist Movement, Civil Disobedience and Beyond. Question number 4, Subject History Class 12, explained by Sandhya M. The question is, why are newspapers an important source for the study of national movement? So here they are asking why newspapers are seen as important source for gathering information and for studying about the national movement. Answer. Contemporary newspapers are an important source of the study of the national movement. Following points lay bare their importance as source of history with reference to Indian freedom movement. What is contemporary? Contemporary refers to the present time. Here it refers to the time when freedom struggle was taking place. Contemporary refers to the time when freedom struggle was taking place. So contemporary newspapers of those time were seen as important source of getting information about these national movement. And let's see what are the points given below which says why they are important. Many contemporary newspapers were published by those who were involved in the freedom struggle. For example, National Herald was issued by Motilal Nehru. Further, Mr. Jinnah issued Dawn. These newspapers were mouthpieces and represented important voices of the movement. Hence, they made important source of information regarding the freedom movement. So, those contemporary newspapers are seen as important source to study about this national movement because all these newspapers were published by those people who were involved in the freedom struggle. People who were involved in the freedom struggle were publishing these newspapers. For example, National Herald newspaper was issued by Motilal Nehru and Dawn newspaper was issued by Mr. Jinnah. As people who were involved in the freedom struggle were publishing these newspapers were seen as mouthpieces or important voices of the movement. Whatever those people felt in those freedom struggle will be reflected in the newspaper too. So whatever information that is published in those newspaper will mostly be the correct informations. So this is one of the important reason why contemporary newspapers are seen as important information regarding the freedom movement. Next, newspapers do daily reporting. Hence, their reporting is more detailed than perhaps any other source can be. As they report on extremely recent event, the chances of misreporting is less. Reading different newspapers further make our reading balanced and free from bias. When we take newspapers are issued daily to us. So in this case, whatever happened yesterday will be issued in today's newspaper. So whatever that are reported in these contemporary newspapers will have a detailed information of what happened on yesterday's issue. So hence these newspapers give us more detail when compared to other sources, and also these newspapers report on extremely recent events. In this case, what happened yesterday is said in today's newspaper. So in this case, chances of misreporting is very less. And reading this newspaper and in other hand reading other sources will give us a balanced view on what actually happened. Next, many newspapers were in local Indian languages, that is, in vernacular language, and their circulation was limited. Hence, they published newspaper from local perspective, which other sources of history may not have. So, all these contemporary newspapers which was published on those time were published in local Indian languages, that is, vernacular language. What does vernacular language mean? Vernacular referred to the language that was used by local people living in India. Okay, since the newspaper was published in the local language, the content that was written in the newspaper was also written in local people's perspective. So it is easy for Indians to understand whatever happened. When we take other sources in history like a book or a poem or a prose, etc., it will not be written in the local people's perspective. It will be written generally. So in comparison to those things, Newspaper is seen as the easy and important source for getting information about these nationalist movement because it is written in local language and it is written in local people's perspective. Next, they reflect the mood of people too. These newspapers shaped what was published and the way events were reported. Accounts published in London newspaper would be different from a report in Indian nationalist paper. So these newspapers also reported the mood of the people, whether the people who were involved in the freedom movement were angry or sad or whatever mood they were, it was represented in the newspaper. And whatever event that takes place, immediately those things were reported in the newspaper. And so we get most of the information that was happened in those times. Also, the accounts, that is the content that is published in London newspaper will be different from the contents published in Indian nationalist paper. So in comparison, Indian paper give us exact news and compared to other sources. So these are the reasons why newspapers, contemporary newspapers are seen as the important source for getting information or for studying this national movement. Thank you.